Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in true blue. It looks fantastic. You do got the bug deflector and the chrome up front here with your Laramie grille. It looks great. You do also have your chrome bumper right down there and bifunction projector style headlights right there that are very bright, as well as your fog lights just down there. And it also comes with 20-inch rims here with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. Those rims look very nice in the chrome. They stand out very nicely. They do also have lots of tread left on the tires still. You got your running boards along the bottom and heated exterior mirrors here in the chrome as well with the turning signals on them. They look great. You do also have a 5-foot box back here. Lots of room. You do have the dual exhaust pipes and you have your parking sensors back here on that chrome bumper. You got your backup camera right there. Now let's open it up. Lots of room back here, 5-foot box as I said, and it does come with the bed liner, so it won't be getting scratched up back here. Okay, so we got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter, it gets it nice and warm for you, and you don't have to go outside in the cold and the gross. But it also comes with proximity keyless entry, so if it's locked and you have the key on your person, you just got to put your hand in there and it will unlock for you, and you got the button there to lock it if you did one as well. And now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. This guy does bring in your mirrors. You got some chrome accenting here and kind of a wood accent up here. You got a handle here and some storage here, as well as more down here with a water bottle holder. Very nice interior in here. It looks fantastic. You do have the Laramie logo on the seats with the accented stitching there. It looks awesome in the leather. You do also have the controls over your seats here, so the backward and the forward and the tilt, as well as the seat memory and the lumbar support there. Then you also have the controls of your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as you push in for your fog lights, and your in-cabin lights are right down there. Then up here we do also have the controls over our high beams, our turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key is in the cup holder, so all we gotta do is put our foot in the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, battery life, and our oil up there. We also have how many kilometers, only 17,000, that is pretty much nothing. You also have your vehicle info, you got your fuel economy, you have your trip A and your trip B, as well you do have your trailer tow, you have your audio options, your stored messages, your screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. It also says which way we're facing and the temperature outside. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel here we do have a volume up and down, as well as a source changer, and on the other side there is another button for your channel. Now down here we do have the controls over our gears, so that's our gear shift, just like that. And we also have our 2-wheel, our 4-wheel lock, our 4-wheel low, and our auto there. Now when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, and it does turn with whichever way you're turning. Keeps you nice and safe. Now you do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media player here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or an SD card. Then you have your your controls here over your heated seat, vented seat, and heated steering wheel. Plus you can see your mirror you can see your backup camera and your mirror dimmer there. And then you also have your Uconnect apps for all of those. Then you have your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here, so you can hit view map and see we are in Wreck Place. Then you have your phone options if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. And then down here we do our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and then your browser over there. Your AC, circulation, heat up and down here. Then you have your off and auto with the power here. Then the front rear defrost. We got our trailer brake, our traction control, tow and haul mode, park assist, and then you also have your seat warmer, your vented seats, and your steering wheel heater right there, and then the other side. Then you have some storage in here, some more right down here with a place for your phone to sit, your cup holders here. Then we also have our armrest that does double as a storage container here. We got lots of room in here, plus we do have a SD card slot, aux cord, and 2 USB plugins. And we can close that up, lift up the bottom side as well, lots of room in there. And then right over here we do have a top layer for our glove box, and a bottom layer right there with our owner's manual inside of it. Up top we do have the controls over our sunroof, our little window in the back, and we also have our universal garage door opener right there. Then up top, we do have that, the sunroof. It looks fantastic, lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this up. Now on the door here, you do have that same chrome accenting here. You have the controls over your windows. You have that same wood accent. Handle here, some storage here, and some more down here. It is a crew cab, as I said, so tons of room back here. It looks great in the leather. You can also fold this down if you didn't need the person in the back. But there you go. Now it can seat 5 people all together. Looks great, and there's tons of room for that. You can lift these up, and you got some storage just underneath there. On the other side, there is a subwoofer, and there is 9 Alpine speakers in here. They sound fantastic. You can also fold this down. Then you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of if you did want. You can do the same with the other side. Then you also have your storage container just under the floor right there. As well, you do have heated seats for the people in the back. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.